investment projects. All the best.
Good afternoon, Moneda. My name is Mohan Krishna. Today we are going to discuss on the topic is suitable capital budgeting technique for long-term investments. If you go on depth capital budgeting, what is capital budgeting? Capital budgeting is the making decision we using the technique of regarding long-term investments like capital assets, assets like long-term assets such as for example machineries, replacement of machineries, new products, new projects like that. That purpose we use the different type of techniques. If I go on depth and take the one example. In 2008, some automobile manufacturing companies are facing some capital decision making problem. In that, Toyota company is facing that different type of capital budgeting problems. That purpose, that company using the different type of techniques like internal rate of return, ARR, average accounting return, profitability index, payback period, NPV, net present value. The different type of techniques used that Toyota company. That purpose we choose the intensive planning. My point of view, IRR is the most important of the capital budgeting because in historical, in financial general books we see, and recently seen the financial general economics books. Previously, we compare with 6 techniques. IRR is the most preference to the historical also. Like in up to 1959 to present also, we use the IRR as the most preference. Next is the NPV is the main preference. Why I am preferred to the IRR is here NPV value is the NPV it is communicate easily. Understanding the IRR value. If NPV value is investment is 0, that time we do the IRR technique. Yes?
Yes, but
IRR technique is not suitable, but in the case sometimes IRR actually internal rate of return is a future estimated.
Yes.
So we are not estimating we getting a profits. It is a future estimate now. That's why our companies prefers to net present value. But here net present value.
Actually, I am also preparing NPV, but I am telling that most of the companies are using the IRR method.
IRR method.
In previously, in historical data, we see the 78% use the IRR method, and next preference is the NPV. I am agree. I am accepted your words.
So here IRR may include the discount factor. That is a future estimate. We are not calculate the future estimate. In case estimate future estimate is for a year 1 lakh for 1 lakh I am estimated profit. But in the some cases I am getting the profit 1 lakh or not. It is I am getting or not. That is future estimate. That's why companies, as per my opinion, companies go to NPV.
Yes,
here NPV tells the here NPV managers show the stockholders preference and the net present value of NPV present value of the inflows and NPV present value of the outflows. And as right now situation many companies are using NPV only, I think.
you said NPV. Mohan said internal rate of things.
Yeah, money factors will affect NPV, IR, account rate of return, modified interest rate.
Capital budgeting, number of factors will affect.
And payback period. Payback period is the, I think it is not suitable for a method. Why? Because payback period is the, if in case we are estimating 30,000 per year, 10,000 for annual interest, 3,000. Here the payback period rule is 2.5 years. Below 2.5 years months, this is taken. If in case, if in case above the 3 years, the payback period is not considered.
Okay.
It is main disadvantage of PR.
I agree. But payback period mostly is the small business of companies.
Yeah, small business.
Because cash flows depend on the that main cash inflows. If you, for example, if you take two projects, if we project A we invest the 1 lakh, project B we also invest the 1 lakh. In first year we get we get the 50,000, second year we get the 50,000, third year we get the 50,000. That is the total amount is 1,50,000. Our recovery amount is in 2 years, but we get the profit is more. But when compared with project B, we get the first year we invest 1 lakh, second year we first we invest the 1 lakh, first year we get the 1 lakh, second year we get the 5,000. Third year we get the 5,000. Total amount is 1 lakh 10,000.
But it will take a long time.
But it take long time, last time and we get the less amount compared with the project A. Because payback period is depend on cash inflows. Because we not consider the payback
Period also
period.
it's very less.
And
2.5.
Yes. If NPV value is negative, we reject the payback period. Yes.
But capital budgeting is affected by number of factors: availability of funds, capital, time, discount rate. Based on that, I prefer NPV. NPV net present value. It gives you more accurate and realistic information. Because consider other techniques like accounting rate of returns, payback period, and internal rate of returns. All the techniques are some of their limitations and some disadvantages is there. But net present value is related to not short period and long term period. But taking to account rate of return, it is considered only long term investments only. But coming to net present value, it gives accurate information because it considered discount rate and time value also. NPV is the most realistic one, and also it gives exact information. So we consider NPV. If the NPV result is positive means we can accept the project. If the negative means we can reject the project. Why we can reject or accept means our cash depending upon our cash flows. If our NPV value is negative means our cash flows also negative. So we reject our project. If positive means our cash flows is also positive. So we accept it. Totally here NPV means there is a difference between project value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. It mainly the NPV is for capital budgeting analysis, profitability of the investment or project. So we consider
NPV also. If in case any form target profit more than its cost, that is positive. Positive. If in case target profit is less than its cost, that is negative. If in case target profit and target its cost is will same, it is a negative and a positive. Don't tell it is a zero. I think this is also good. I think my first preference is the net present value is the suitable for long term investment.
But I am mostly prefer to the IRR because IRR value is greater than the cost of capital. The project is accept. If less than the IRR value less than the cost of capital, the project will be rejected. But most often if establish if any organization, we take some examples of other organizations. We see the historical data. The data is also IRR technique mostly used. Yes.
Okay, you said IRR technique. IRR technique is mostly used for long-term investments. But coming to short-term investments, we stick.
I am saying, but
that's why I am going to.
If long organizations we use the most.
Here there is some impact on modified interest also. Here modified interest means any form, any person he or she choose the which investment is best. This is also some impact of the long-term investments.
That's why. As I said, in NPV we consider time value and discount rate. Same as in accounting rate of return also we consider.
Yeah, accounting rate of return is only straight line method is follows.
That's why some company
But,
new investment method, and there is some process to develop their long-term investment and to estimate future cash flows to the investment of their company. Here companies, small companies are mostly depend on payback method. Why? Because there is short-term investment, and in real estate, technologies.
All technologies are suitable for cash flows, budgeting methods.
Okay, I agree. Is long-term and short-term loans for
investments which were the company making is best technique is the NPV only.
Yeah.
For calculating the for profits.
Probability index also impact some cases.
In NPV, we consider both time value and discount, and all it gives accurate result. Investments.
But I am considering
Mostly
NPV sometimes. Most of the time I am considering internal rate of return. Previously, they said ARR. Yes, ARR. ARR is the give the not accurate information.
Yeah, it is a straight line method is followed.
Yes, that is not given accurate information. But IRR gives the accurate information. It is closely related with the NPV, and it is easily communicate and it is easily understanding the project. So I mainly consider the IRR.
NPV is also easy to communicate and understand for.
Yeah, NPV is.
I'm concerned. Sometimes I am considering NPV. Most of the time
NPV
IRR.
NPV refers the market investment of the between market investment of cost between its cost. If in case market value, it's a difference between market value investment and its cost. So it is easily it is the probability easily used for long-term investment.
The main aim of capital budgeting investment is to increase the value of the firm and to the shareholder.
And your shareholders also very benefits for the NPV.
So control this.
The managers full preference of the shareholders of the
Increase the value
NPV.
of the firm and to shareholders. Always all firms are
Okay, friends. I accepted all of your words. But NPV is I'm also accepted. But sometimes I'm expected. Most of the time, if large companies, if take large organizations, that time I'm taken mostly prefer to the IRR.
No. Large companies also depends on NPV.
Mostly use the
Small companies only depend the
That's why I'm
IRR.
telling you, it is mostly related to the NPV. And my point of view, if you see the historical data, that time also mostly use the actually.
But now technology improved, that's why.
Present also use the IRR method. According to the 2005 details, 78% use the IRR and next 75% use the NPV. And 1969, 1970, that time use the companies only 35% use the NPV.
Here
And next, if some companies use the two techniques, IRR and NPV. That time depends upon our
internal rate of return is estimated.
Tax manager and cost accounting manager.
Yes. Suppose company take three projects. One project different with another project, and another project different with another project. Depending upon that project only, the company take the technique. Company take for one project one technique, another project another technique. Because one project is low investment, another project high investment. Depend upon that only, the companies use the techniques.
IRR is estimated.
Yes.
Means today technology is high. Tomorrow technology is very high.
I think
That's why.
that is discounted payback period.
Yeah, IRR means estimated. So we can't estimate the profits in future. That's why I don't prefer the.
So that's why
IRR is not expected.
No more when you say IRR risk than NPV.
I'm said I'm sometimes depend upon our projects. I'm sometimes I prefer to the NPV. Mostly I prefer to the IRR. I'm said.
But in IRR they have most of rate of return to the investment.
And also compare with accounting average return. That time we not give the accurate results. And if you take in long term or in long organizations and long investment projects, I prefer the IRR.
Here capital budget.
Depend upon our project.
Here capital budget.
it is going to increase or not.
If take some times depend upon our cash inflows. Next, for example, if we take different projects, project A, project B, project C. In project A, project B, project C, we same investment. For example, 1 lakh. but depending which project depend which project is more cash inflows, we take that project. And next, for example, if we take 60,000 project A, project B 1 lakh, project C 1,50,000. In 60,000 we get the more investment to the forms of shareholders. That time value of the increase the forms of shareholders. Yes, that time I am refer to the depend upon project. I am refer to the techniques.
On base of IRR.
Yes.
But even let's say they can put in many projects, only they put in only one project.
So of course, depend upon company.
In company also, only they put only one project, but it's at any time they put
Different projects.
Different projects.
That's why depending on
our cash flows, our investment, project investments depend on. I am said mostly IRR is better.
Here the Mr. Mohan, here the main capital budgeting process is step-by-step process. If in case of the long-term investment and investment is best or not, and deduct the expenditures, and it's these process, these quantities are done the year NPV, net present value.
Instead of all the factors only.
All factors are only NPV, but IR some factors is not there in IR. But some all factors are included in the NPV. So present situation many companies depends on the NPV. As per my opinion.
But today major companies are all follow the same NPV only.
Previously IR, but right now many companies
The NPV will give accurate results.
accurate.
As per
And the managers
opinion,
for a project only, their company will depending on NPV.
Here one thing NPV managers most give the reference of stakeholders.
Yes.
That is very important.
but here also give important.
No, not this
much.
much important. Yeah, they are given, but not.
How you said?
It is the-
Compared with the IRR, how you said?
In IR, time value will not consider. In IR,
Time.
we will consider time value.
Time and
Mostly, that's why I'm saying to the depend upon our project, depend upon our cash inflows. I'm suitable to take out.
depending on projects only. The IRR is yes.
Mainly the ultimate goal of any capital.
But mostly the NPV only.
is to
All
give value.
ARR, NPV, probability index, and modifiers. Those are factors but the only help on NPV.
Yes.
Second one, you say IRR. I agree.
But
Depending upon
We are giving the second priority to IRR.
Present situation, but
remaining all other things
But
mostly
mostly
follows
right now capital budgeting is
IR.
technical knowledge, real estate, new technology. These are new technology, machinery investment of the future purpose. These are capital budgeting. Choose the which method is following the best result of the future purpose.
okay. I am all of your words I am accepted. But companies, how we see that which technique is data used, why that companies use the mostly IRR? Tell me any reasons. We said you said everyone said NPV. I am said, but less.
Yeah, IRR is why means future estimate.
That's why.
Future estimated. Example, one particular company, Google is a very what means successful in the market. So I will going to invest in Google. I'm absolutely correct because it is a good position of the market. So I invest some money.
Yes.
It is definitely it is success. If in a case some situations not exactly this is success or not.
Yes.
If in a case IRR will not consider.
Okay.
That time.
Okay.
I want to
That's why the NPV.
I want to complete this session with us.
And IRR only discount factor also important.
Okay, friends, time is going on. So next time, final my sum up is as per my sum up, I prefer to the IRR, and next and prefer to the NPV, second prefer to the NPV. First I prefer the IRR, and next and finally and I finally depends upon the project cash inflows and investments.
Technologies.
Yes, that is my conclusion.
The first preference is to NPV and some
Yeah.
projects, long-term investment for cash budget.
Mainly disadvantage layer it's a future estimated value. That's why second.
But Gauri Shankar, you not said something.
So sir, with Shivan, why? Because small companies only small companies
Small and long
they
term.
invest a lot of money.
Because there are a lot of payback periods. That's
Say something.
First of all, I preferred with NPV, and next time I preferred payback period. Payback period is depends upon time value.
But cash flows are not, you not said accurately cash flows are come to the future. Yes, that is important to the small business
Any other
information. And if NPV value is minus, that time we reject the actual rate of the project.
Depending on cash flows.
That is okay.
I want to conclude this session with for us.
NPV is
NPV is the best technique for our
long-term investments.
Long-term
It's a suitable
investment.
investments.
Okay, do you all agree with me? Then group discussion with
NPV.
yes.
Yes.
But my assumption is okay.
depending upon project.
Okay, thank you.